Today I want to talk about glute exercises. So, glutes. Now, they're all over social media right now. They're the big muscle group that everybody wants to target. And you see a lot of young, attractive models, male and female, showing you these exercises, how they grew their glutes. And a lot of them have body weight workouts, lunge patterns, body weight squats, different types of glute bridges, mini band stuff. High volume, so you're doing a lot of work with low intensity, so there's not very much weight. These are great glute activation workouts. They're not gonna grow the glutes like you wanna grow the glutes. These people already have good bodies. They've already done the work, eaten the calories to get the good bodies, and now they're kind of showing you some stuff that looks good. It's not how they got there. How they got there was at the dinner plate. Nobody changes their body composition when it comes to working out at the gym. They change it in their diet. That means that you need to be eating more calories than you're burning, or else you're not going to grow. That's just how it is. I know, trust me, I'm 140 pounds. 4 months ago, I started eating 5,000 calories a day. I'm 170 pounds now. That's just how it works. You can't spot gain, so you can't just say, I'm gonna eat more calories and just train my butt and my butt's gonna grow. It's not how it works, okay? I wish it was. If that were the case, I'd have a gigantic chest and huge calves. But I don't. I gain all over my body. So don't be fooled by these catchy workouts. And those workouts will have their place, and I'll give them their place in future videos when we activate our glutes before a training session. You'll notice that Renee has great glutes. She's done this through hard work and diet, all right? She didn't do a whole lot of glute bridges. She squatted a whole lot of heavy weight and ate a whole lot of the right calories. That combination is gonna grow your glutes so much better than tiny little body weight workouts that are more for activation and less for growth. The high volume, low intensity isn't as effective as the high intensity, low volume. And you gotta eat.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching again.
As always, any questions you got, throw them in the comments down below. Click here for our next video.
And click here to subscribe.
Till next time.
Peace guys.